welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Arpita Mandal and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. So आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो एक रिव्यू वीडियो होने वाला है and you have already read by the title and seen by the thumbnail that it is going to be about the Amazon Huda Beauty dupe lipsticks review. So basically I got these lipstick like long time back. So I have in total 12 lipsticks right now. I'm gonna be sharing my honest review. By the way, I'm not wearing any lipstick because I'm gonna try one of my favorites on my lips right now. I'm gonna wear that and continue to shoot the video because मैं आपको ये भी दिखाना चाहती थी कि is this lipsticks worth to buy? Are they long lasting? Are they matte? Everything you will get to know, so stay till the end. This came in a very big dabba, but I don't have it right now. I will put the picture of the dabba here, right here. There were two lip liners which were broken. That's a negative point about it, and I'm being very honest because मैंने इसको खोलते ही जब मैंने उसको ट्राई किया लगाने के लिए it just broke right there. So I thought of returning, but when I swatched all the lipsticks on my hand, even tried it on my lips, I was shocked, literally shocked, because these are amazing lipsticks, you guys. So now I'm gonna put this lipstick on my lips right now. It says, the name is Cheerleader. It's a very beautiful red color. I have tried this and I love this, of course, and it complements my dress. So I'm gonna wear this throughout the video to show you people how long lasting these are. And basically I have drawn my lips and I have applied Vaseline. This is a very important step that you need to do if you're buying these lipsticks, because this becomes very chappy, and if you apply a layer of Vaseline or whatever you have, any sort of a lip balm, this works great. Can you see? It's very pigmented. Moving ahead to the other lipsticks, and the next one is this Video Star. This is a pink color. I don't know if you can see this, guys. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Okay, let me be honest. मैंने इस lipstick को कभी भी नहीं use किया है. Swatch it on my hand. Focus, yeah. So now it's time to show like how matte it is. You can see it's in my hand. I am like rubbing my finger इसके ऊपर से, but it's not at all smudging, and that's how beautiful this lipstick is. Moving ahead to the next lipstick color, and that is this beautiful color. It's called Icon. This is my everyday lipstick. I use it every day. I would swatch it here and I'll show you guys. Can you see the color? And I love wearing it on a daily basis. This is that beautiful. See. This is the lipstick, you guys, I'm talking about. They are completely smudge proof, they are matte, they are bomb. Moving ahead to the next one, it is a nudish shade. Actually this says Gossip Girl Vibrant. It's very subtle and a sweet color, and I love wearing this. So this is the Gossip Girl. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It's a very beautiful nude shade, you guys, as you can see. I love it. To the other lipstick, so it calls Vixen, and this is what it looks like. This is in a chocolatey brown kind of shade, and I'm gonna swatch this quickly on my hand to show you the exact color. This is what it looks like. It's a very chocolatey brown. It's a very vibrant color, just like this I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I like to like complement it with some light colors, a light color. Head to the next lipstick, and ये है Famous. So this is also comes in the brown family, brownish chocolate sort of a family. So I've swatched it on my hand for you guys. It's time to show. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? It's sort of a blackish chocolate. It's a pure chocolatey color, I would say. And that one is in a reddish tone, but it's moving ahead to some more nudish lipsticks. I have got 1, 2, 3, and 4 more nudes. I'm gonna move ahead to another nude lipstick, and that is called Muse. So this is what it looks like. So here we go. Sort of a lavender nude color, as you can see. So yeah, this was called the Muse. I'm gonna share this one with you guys, which says Trend Setter. This is also a nude lipstick, and it is in the shade of a orangish nude. This is what it looks like, and this is, as you can see, this is a bit lavenderish nude. This is a orangey sort of a nude. With 3 more lipsticks, and I'm gonna go ahead with this one. This is called Heartbreaker. It's a perfect red color ka lipstick. Watch it for you guys so that you have a clear idea what it looks like. This shade is bomb, you guys. You got these 12 lipsticks only for 600 rupees at that point of time, but it's currently unavailable right now. It's out of stock. I have checked it. मैंने mistakenly बोल दिया था कि I'm left with only 3 lipsticks. Now I'm left with only 3 lipsticks, which is a Venus, a Trophy Wife, and Bombshell. I'm gonna swatch these 3 very quickly to show you guys. So this is Bombshell. Wow, what a nude, you guys. What a color this is. This is Venus, and this one is Trophy Wife. So these are in the nude family. You can see I have swatched them here. If you're really looking for dupe lipsticks which are of really good quality, definitely try them out, because as you have already seen, they are pigmented, they are matte, they are smudge proof, they look bomb. So definitely try them out. I will link it down below for you guys in the description box below, so definitely check that out. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I have reviewed them nicely to you guys. आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो तो if you want more such videos on my channel, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, you guys. That's free for you. Stay safe, wear mask, ta-da!